true love does without the mind of doing. True love is unconditional, a love that is without expectations. True love is the law of nature itself. Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth and I'm a meditation guide with Online Meditation Events. Online Meditation Events, or OME, is a nonprofit organization that started as a response to the pandemic time. We offer guided meditation 7 days a week, and we get together once a month for a 3-hour intensive retreat. And the past retreats have been so wonderful, really good energy. So we really look forward to it every time. The time flies, even 3 hours, it really goes by. And February, this retreat, the focus is going to be about love. So whether you're single or with someone, it doesn't have to be about that kind of love. This retreat is about the love that we find from within, the love from the universe. And at this time, during these times, we really need that right now. So let's all get together and throw away the past hurts and find true love from within. So me and my fellow guide, Maria, are going to explain what to expect at the next upcoming retreat.
Hello everyone, my name is Maria and I'll be one of the meditation guides at our coming up Valentine's Day retreat. It's going to be Saturday, February 13th from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to have a lot of fun, take some time to release our body tension, do some yoga, stretching, and also some laughing meditation. And there's going to be dancing movement, but also a time that we can go within and really find a place where true love comes from, within our mind and our heart, and discover it as we do the meditation and letting go of any past hurts or anything that you're holding on to at this time. So it'll be a very great event, and I really hope that you can make it.
So who is invited? Pretty much everybody. So anybody and everybody, whether you're single, you're with someone, that doesn't matter. Whether you have, meditation experience in the past, or if you're completely new, completely a beginner to meditation, and you just want to check it out, and you want to be part of the good energy. So please come and enjoy. Whoever you are, this meditation retreat is for everybody. So how is it going to work? Basically, we're going to explain step by step how to reflect on your mind and then how to empty and let go of things that are not serving you. Negative minds, whether it's from the past or things you worry about the future. All these things we have stored up inside, we're going to teach you how to reflect and then release it out. Actually getting rid of negative energy, finding positive energy inside. So the guides are going to help you step by step.
Find love through music.
Find love through dance.
Find love through song.
Find love through yoga.
Find love through laughter.
Please RSVP at onlinemeditationevents.com and we'll see you there.